Hey, Sarah, you look excited. What happened?
Dane, I just read a really interesting story I want to tell you.
Okay, I'm listening.
One day, a fox climbed near the edge of a cliff and placed a sign where chickens passed every day. The sign said, "If you never jump, how will you know you're an eagle? Live fully for your dreams. Don't let fear hold you back." Every day, the chickens walked by and read it. At first, nothing happened, but over time, they started to believe it. A thought slowly grew inside them. What if I really can fly? One day, a chicken jumped. Then another followed. And the fox? It just sat at the bottom of the cliff, waiting. Day after day, it had fresh chicken to eat. No need to chase, no need to hunt. Because every day, some chicken believed and jumped. At first, it sounds inspiring, but then it feels strange.
Wow, that's actually a really good story. It's simple, but very sharp. I like how it starts like motivation, but ends like a warning.
Yeah, that's exactly how it felt.
The reason it feels strange is because it reflects something very real. In life, we are constantly surrounded by ideas that sound good, ideas that push us to act, to try, to take risks. And most of the time, we don't question them.
Because they feel positive, right?
Exactly. When something sounds inspiring, we trust it faster. We don't stop to think whether it fits our reality. We just feel it, and then we follow it.
So it's not about the chickens being foolish, it's about how easy it is to believe something.
Yes, that's the core of it. The story shows that belief doesn't come from truth. It often comes from repetition and emotion. The chickens didn't test anything. They just saw the same message again and again until it felt true.
That's actually scary, because it can happen without us noticing.
Exactly. That's why it's dangerous. And once belief is there, action follows naturally. You don't need pressure. You don't need force. People move on their own.
Just like the chickens, they jumped by themselves.
Yes, and that's the part most people miss. The real danger is not external pressure. It's internal belief that is not questioned.
So even if something feels right, it can still be wrong.
Exactly. Feeling right is not the same as being right. That's why awareness matters so much. In life, you will hear many messages. Some will help you grow. Some will quietly lead you in the wrong direction.
But they can sound the same.
Yes, that's the tricky part. Both can sound inspiring. Both can feel powerful. The difference is not in how they sound. It's in whether you stop and examine them.
So the real skill is not just being motivated, it's knowing what to believe.
Exactly. Motivation without thinking can be dangerous. It can push you to act fast, but in the wrong direction. And when things go wrong, people don't question the idea. They question themselves.
Like thinking, I wasn't good enough.
Yes, instead of asking, was this the right path to begin with? That's why this story is powerful. It doesn't tell you to stop dreaming. It tells you to think before you believe.
I like that. It feels more real.
Because real growth is not just about courage. It's about clarity, knowing where you are, knowing what is possible for you, and choosing your direction with awareness.
So the lesson is not don't jump, it's understand before you jump.
Because in life, there will always be signs, always voices telling you what to do, but not all of them are meant to guide you. Some are just there, waiting for you to follow blindly.
So the real danger is not the cliff, it's not thinking before you step.
Yes, that's the difference between awareness and blind belief.